baby. Finally here, baby. You here? That's right, baby.
Next year we're in Cali, baby.
Ooh, where you going in February, baby?
We're going to the Staples Center, baby.
Woo-hoo-hoo, that's LA.
LA.
Oh, okay, baby. Okay. Taz over here chilling at the booth. Backdrop. Entertainment Street right here. Let's see what's around the corner. Ooh. Wow, Vonnie-D Boulevard. That's real big. Oh boy. Ooh. There go little T right there, y'all. Representing Will Power Entertainment. Ooh, doing it real big. Oh boy, y'all ain't think she can get her hair done like that, did you? Yeah. Ooh. Miss Model herself.